Located in America's heartland, Western Wire Products is producing the finest, high-quality, American-made cotter pins, hitch pins, custom wire forms, and thousands of other fasteners right here in St. Louis, and has been doing so since 1914. From our 132,000 square foot office, fabrication, and warehouse complex, Western Wire Products is recognized worldwide as a leader in the wire forming and fastener industry, and we are ISO 9001 certified. While we still operate some of the machines our founder patented and built over 100 years ago, our manufacturing capabilities now include state-of-the-art CNC and robotic wire forming solutions. Using technology to globally compete, our diverse and expansive line of industrial wire products and fasteners supply some of the largest OEMs worldwide. We routinely meet our customers' specific needs, like manufacturing fasteners to military or other customer-required specifications. And while some of our products seem simple and as common as a penny, the hardworking men and women of Western Wire build our solutions as if life itself depended upon it, because sometimes it does. We build solutions for aerospace, systems for our military and first responders, for life-saving medical equipment such as ventilators. Western Wire puts that same level of accountable manufacturing practices for the thousands of other industries we build solutions for, because we care about the electricians, the plumbers, the men and women on the assembly line, the end user of the millions of products that our manufactured wire form or fasteners are an integral part. And while we stock an extensive inventory of standard wire forms and fasteners in a variety of metals and finishes, producing custom wire solutions to fit our customer's specific need is where we really stand out. Our in-house tooling and design team can take a customer's sample, print, or sketch and render it as a blueprint that will allow our manufacturing department to fabricate the wire part envisioned. We fabricate wire forms in diameters as small as 12 thousandths of an inch to 625 thousandths of an inch, blank lengths of 72 inches and beyond, and execute complex strip forming with stamping with materials of up to 16 gauge. Working with extensive in-house inventories of both ferrous and non-ferrous materials, including carbon steel, galvanized metals, stainless steel, brass, aluminum, spring steels, and a number of other alloys, Western Wire has become a go-to manufacturer when lead time, price, and quality all matter. We understand that in-house threading, machining, stamping, chamfering, undercutting, notching, assembling, drilling, welding, staking, and milling are necessary secondary processes, allowing Western Wire to offer a complete solution approach for our customers. Through managed relationships and processes with our third-party plating and coating providers, Western Wire extends our dedication to lead time, price, and quality through our partners. From prototyping to millions of pieces, Western Wire's dedication to quality is exemplified in everything we do. From the ability to maintain extremely tight tolerances during manufacturing, to making sure it arrives to the customer packed as requested, or stocking programs constructed to perfectly match the customer's needs. Every detail is considered with our Lean Six Sigma manufacturing approach. Whether we're fabricating wire forms and fasteners to be used in countless products through our distribution partners, creating custom formed wire products to be sold at retail, or providing components used in life-saving safety and medical equipment, delivering superior quality products is what we do. Western Wire Products. Give us the opportunity to be your go-to source for wire fasteners, custom wire forms, and beyond.